Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be trying viral TikTok food hacks. Let's get right into the video. So the first food hack is that you can make cream cheese out of yogurt. So let's try that. I've got a strainer here. I've got just a basic cloth, it's not a cheesecloth. And my curd. Then you close up the cheesecloth. You close up the cloth and you can see the water coming out. Oh, did it? It's literally just coming out. So much water in this.
One eternity later.
Okay, so we've removed quite a lot of water from it. The bowl is like really full. And this is what we're left with. It has become like a cream cheese consistency. Right now there's no salt or anything in it, but I'm sure you can mix some herbs and some salt and then you can use it as cream cheese. So according to me, this food hack works. Okay, so for our next viral food hack, we've got the one ingredient noodles. So you have to just take some rice paper, and I've got some warm water over here. We have to put it in the warm water till it becomes nice and soft, and then you have to layer about 4 to 6 pieces of this paper on each other, and then we'll go ahead. Okay, so we've got our rice paper sheets here. Then you roll it up and take a knife and just cut them. And this here is our noodle. I've just made a quick noodle sauce with some peanut butter, soy sauce and a little bit of chili oil. So I'm going to put these noodles in and let's see if it tastes as good. So this is how it's looking right now. They look pretty much like noodles, they feel like noodles, they feel like this chewy texture that a rice noodle has. So I think it may just work out. My noodles are all mixed up. Let's try it. you love noodles like me, this definitely does the trick. It's this chewy texture. It's really yum. It tastes good. So I mean, if you don't have noodles at home and you have rice paper, you can do this in hardly 5 minutes. So according to me, this viral food hack is a good one. So the next viral food hack is whipped honey. So I've heard that you need to use raw honey for this, but I don't have any raw honey, so I'm just going to be using this honey that I have at home. I don't know if it's going to work out the same, but let's try it. So I have my honey in here and my trusty hand beater, and we're just going to whip it up. So I think we do need raw honey for this because it's not whipping up any more than this. It has got some air into it, but it's not becoming that light fluffy texture that I've seen online. So according to me, this is a fail, but I think that's my fault. Anyways, let's try it. It just tastes like honey. Ew. The next hack we're going to be trying is the cheese puffs. Now again, in the video that I've seen, they took the rind of a parmesan triangle, and that's what they used to make the cheese puffs. But I think I remember when I was younger also, I used to try it with cheese blocks as well. So we're going to try it with the cheese blocks. We're just going to put it up on our plate. And we put it in our microwave and let's see what happens. So you can see they actually did puff up. But I forgot to put parchment paper below, so it's all stuck to the plate. We have some robbers who've already been pinching from here. But anyways, they did puff up. I mean, it's nothing really great, it's just cheese that's gotten puffed up. But I mean, if you want a snack and you want to just do something different, you can always do that. So according to me, this hack is a go. For the next food hack, we're trying ice cream with olive oil and salt. I'm really not sure about this one, but we're gonna try it. I've got a little bit of vanilla ice cream here, some salt, and a little bit of olive oil. Giving me like a sea salt feel. I don't know what the olive oil is doing though, but I mean, I can't really taste it anyway. Okay, so that was I don't know, I'm a little iffy about it. Okay, the next viral hack we're gonna try is Nutella cookies. 2-ingredient Nutella cookies. I put my gloves on because I think it's gonna get messy. So we need 5 tablespoons of flour. I don't know what flour, so that's why I'm just using regular flour. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then you need 3.5 tablespoons of Nutella. I think that should be it. And we're just going to start mixing it up. So I've got my dough kind of forming here. These are the balls I'm getting. I'm just going to try and roll them into a smooth dough. And I think I ended up using about 4.5 tablespoons of Nutella because with 3.5 it wasn't working. Here's what it's looking like now. You really have to knead it out a little bit because it doesn't form otherwise. So we got about 5 small cookies. I'm going to put it in the microwave and just clear up the place and let's see how it turns out. So we've got our 5 cookies over here. They feel like they've been baked. Ah! They look baked at the bottom. Should I try?
It's hot, right?
I mean, they're pretty good for just 2-minute cookies. They taste like, you know, something like a bourbon biscuit that you get in India. But yeah. So anyways, this hack works. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it and had fun. If you like the video and you want me to try out different recipes or different hacks that you see online, you can always DM me on Instagram with the videos. Unfortunately, I couldn't add the videos that I had seen because I've seen them all on YouTube, and as you know, we don't have TikTok in India. So anyways, like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you when my thumbs twiddle again. Bye.